This is an Arizona's Family News Update.
And good morning, Arizona. I'm Scott Passmore. Here's the latest stories we're following from the Arizona's Family Newsroom. We now have the latest numbers on coronavirus here in Arizona. The Arizona Department of Health says we now have 6,045 cases. That's up 276 in one day, and 266 people have now died from the virus, 17 more than yesterday. Maricopa County still has the largest number of positive cases. For a breakdown of cases by gender, zip code, and county, all you have to do is download the free AZ Family mobile news app. So far, less than 1% of our population has been tested, but that could soon change as the state expands the criteria to qualify for a test. So this means anyone who thinks they were exposed can get a test, even if they're not showing symptoms. Labs have the supplies to perform those additional tests, but until now, the tests were limited only to high-risk individuals and people with actual symptoms. One of the biggest dangers from the outbreak is our healthcare system being overwhelmed, running out of room to treat people. Now we're learning how close we came to that scenario. On March 26, Governor Ducey issued an executive order to increase hospital bed capacity by 50%. Earlier this month, the state saw a surge in ICU patients. If the number of available beds had remained the same as it was in March, there wouldn't have been enough for the number of patients.
Today we have 1,668 plus 485 additional beds available as needed. This is good news, and it shows we're prepared in Arizona.
We took this new data and plotted it on a timeline showing how the extra capacity really helped. All that information on our AZ Family mobile app, as well as azfamily.com.
I'm meteorologist April Warnicki. A high of 98 degrees today, triple digits starting tomorrow and lasting into next week. In fact, we have an excessive heat watch that has been issued for that high of 104 on Sunday, but it does look like we'll get a little hotter next week, climbing to 105 by the middle of the week.
And April, thank you. Have a great weekend. For updates on more stories we're following, you can download our app and subscribe to our YouTube and Roku channels. I'm Scott Passmore. Have a great weekend.